Happy New Year, everybody. My name is Yit Isaac, aka your favorite movie assassin, and we're back again this year. How was your last year? How was your December? And how is your January so far? I think this is one of the best Januaries. Yeah, believe it. Believe you me, this is one of the best Januaries so far. The weather is calm around Kampala. I don't know from wherever you are watching from, but please care to tell me where you are watching this show from. But on our side, it's been a great year, and we hope that this year also, 2025, is indeed going to be a great one. Now, if we are to jump straight into the point, since this is the movie check and we basically deal with movies, extrapolating movies, explaining movies, everything that is around the movie sector. This time around today, I want us to talk about a very, very, very special feature when it comes to film. Film is evolving, and right now, with the introduction of artificial intelligence, the introduction of the augmented reality, the world is moving at a very, very fast speed. And as the movie check, of course, we don't want to leave you back. We don't want to leave you guys sitting back in the old way of doing things. Now, since everybody has access to the internet and access to a smartphone, okay, right, it might not be that everybody has an access to a smartphone, but at least those of you who are able to access a smartphone, it's no longer just for the use of just taking pics and things like that. But with the introduction of AI, did you know that you can actually create an entire film? Now, this is where I'm catching everybody's attention. Did you know that you can actually create an entire film using AI? And that is the reason as to why I'm on your television today. I just want to show you guys a few tips. Not just tips, but I'm going to give you guys actually a tutorial that I revised, and I saw that, okay, this is perfect for my audience. When we see this, I think we'll not just handle the phones or the computers and the access of internet that we have. In case you have someone who's at home, maybe recommend this show to them, and by the end of the show they'll be able to create a YouTube channel and then post the movies that they will have created. But anyway, starting right away, how do you create a movie fully with AI? No hiring cameras, no hiring a crew. It's just you, your computer, in case you have one, and internet, and you have a movie rolling in just a few minutes. For those of you who would love to create a story but you don't know how to create one, you have ChatGPT. If you are not comfortable enough using ChatGPT, like some people are, and comfortable using ChatGPT, because usually they're like, man, I don't want to mix a lot of my personal work stuff with my hobby, which is creating movies. So can't you recommend a software that is specifically for writing such content, or specifically for writing movie scripts or content scripts, things like that? Yeah, I have one for you, Gravity Write. Let's just have a look at this feed.
Just go to gravitywrite.com and click Start Writing for free. Now, to generate a story for our movie, click Filmmaking Tools and choose this. Here, type in your idea and click Create Content. There you go. Your trailer script will be ready in seconds.
The good thing about using Gravity Write is that it will give you the prompts on which you are able to generate images that are going to build up our movie, and the images correspond with the story.
So let's go back to Gravity Write and copy our script. Now click on AI image generation prompts, fill up these fields and paste the script here and click Create. There we have it. We have got the image prompts for each shot of our short film.
The prompts are then pasted into Midjourney, which helps us to generate the images.
So you can still try another tool called playground.ai, which does the same thing. To get it, just go to midjourney.com and join using Discord. Here you need to enter the description of the pictures that you want. Now, the result you will get here will only be as good as the prompt that you provide. So to get good results, we need to give good prompts. So let's copy this one and go back to Midjourney, paste the copy prompt here and hit enter. And there it is. These pictures are exactly what we need for the movie. Now you can choose the picture that you want and click on the corresponding new button to upscale the images. As you can see, our image has been instantly upscaled. Let me just download this image to my computer. In the same way, I'm going to generate all the other images that we need for our movie. Okay, now we have all the pictures we need for the movie.
We have these pictures already in the system. In the computer system, we'll drag these images and drop them into Runway ML. Now this software called Runway, what will it do? This software is going to turn those images into videos. This is the most interesting part then.
So let's go to runwayml.com and click try for free. Sign in using your Google account and click on start with image. Now all you need to do is just drag and drop the images we generated using Midjourney one by one. And click generate. In just a few minutes, our video will be ready. Now if we click play, you can see how the video is looking. So as you can see, we've got an amazing video. And this is how you can go from a single image to a video in seconds. Now to download the video, click here. And the video will be downloaded to our computer. I'll do the same for all the other images that we have generated. Once you have downloaded all the videos, now let's play them. So as you can see, all our images have been converted into videos.
At this point, we incorporate a new software called 11 Labs. What is 11 Labs going to do? Remember, we have a story, and a part of the story that we have dialogues or conversations. Now, these conversations are in text format. Them being in text format, we are going to paste them in 11 Labs. When they are pasted in 11 Labs, what is going to happen? 11 Labs is going to give us a variety of voices from which we can choose to fit the character that we want to see with the motion.
Just search for 11labs.io, click get started for free, and sign up using your Google account. Once your sign up is complete, here you can select the voice you want.
Allow the world to live as it chooses. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere.
Once you're done, paste the script here, then click generate, and our dialogue will be ready for the scene.
This is it, boys. We're making history tonight.
And download it by clicking this button.
In this step, we are going to engage Lalamo Studio. Lalamo Studio is not a studio where people sleep. I say this again. Lalamo Studio is not a studio where people sleep. Guys, it's a software, and in this software, or at this stage of our AI production, this is where, in this software, it will help us to merge both the video with the audio. In this case, that is how you will find a picture that has been given some bit of motion, and then the picture is talking, and you're like, who recorded Mr. Zwange Ndaba? No, guys, that's also a whole nother bunch of it, but let me just show you guys a simple, because today we are looking at the basics of how to create an entire film with AI.
Go to lalamu.studio, click on get started, and upload your video here. Then click add new audio and upload the dialogue for that particular scene. And click generate. Now it will start processing.
This is it, boys. We're making history tonight.
I really hope that this very episode, has kindled an inspiration in your heart to probably try out the AI filming tools. To probably try out to produce an entire film with AI. I mean, instead of just sitting home and chewing popcorns, taking time watching TV. Watching TV is not bad as long as you are watching Jit Isaac. That's a really very, very great idea, and I really appreciate that. But I just want to say that try it out, and mind you, YouTube pays. So when YouTube pays you, make sure and remember that I was the tutor. Give me my cut, and yeah, I'll cut you guys another deal next time. But I just want to say this, that let's try it out. I mean, get some time, try it out. If you are unable to try it out, probably give it to your kids as some bit of homework via the weekend. Let them try it out. Yeah, you never know, with time they'll perfect the skill and blow, represent Africa on a big level. You know what I'm talking about. But anyway, from wherever you have been watching from, in the comforts of your homes, in the living rooms, in the kitchens, in the bedrooms, wherever you are, you're watching from your car, you're watching from work, you are watching from the saloon, yo, I just want to say that we really love you. From my entire production team, we just want to say have a great day.